Good morning, grade 10. I hope you're all well and ready to start your distance learning. I just want to take you through where you can find things and what it's going to look like from our perspective so you have a bit of a clue. We're basically going to use two platforms. So a lot of information you will get from Microsoft Teams and then some information from ManageBac as well. At the beginning of every week, you are going to have an overview that will be given via the Messages tab on ManageBac. So when you're finding out what to do for the week, that's the first place that you should go. So you have a document that looks like this. Okay, let me just open that up for you. This is the same, obviously, for the whole of grade 10. These are your weekly lesson objectives, and these are the expected outcomes that are going to be submitted to me. Okay, so your first task is to research these definitions. Okay, you're going to draw a diagram, you're going to write down some formulae, you will look at definitions for period and frequency, and answer questions on the PowerPoint. So this tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay, there's a little bit more information here. Where do you find the resources? Well, from ManageBac, under Files, we're actually starting a new unit, which is Waves, okay? So in that, there's everything that you need for week 1 so far. So there's a PowerPoint that you will work through, and then there are some worksheets and some tasks for you to do there. So you will find most things there. If I just also go to Microsoft Teams, this is our page, as you know, so I'm going to post a video here. You can see the video. Into Files, I have just put the distance learning overview, so you can see that there. And the last task that you will do this week will be an assignment, which will be a quiz, and you will be able to find that here. I'm not going to bombard you with everything right now, but that is where you can find that. Okay, in terms of the other tasks that I showed you before, really we want you to be working in your workbooks. All right, so when you go through the PowerPoint, you will write down the title, you will write down the objective. All of the work needs to be done in your books, and then you will submit that evidence to ManageBac and I can give you feedback on it. Okay, so if you look on the calendar here, I've put an assignment for you. Okay, so upload photo evidence of your weekly tasks. And I've just put a reminder here to complete the quiz that will be on Microsoft Teams. Okay, this is taken straight from that weekly overview. I've just copied and pasted it, so it's the same information. All right, so in your photos that you will take of your workbook, I want you to have done task 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the last bit is something that you will do, and that will be submitted on Microsoft Teams. Okay, so I will directly be able to see what you have been doing in your workbook for tasks 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's up to you how long you take with those. So I put the deadline for this for Thursday. I do recommend trying to get a couple of tasks done. You can upload multiple documents to this assignment, okay, and I can see each one separately. So I would try, you've got a double lesson tomorrow, I would try and get into day 1 some good routines, don't get behind, and get a few of these things done in the beginning. Okay, I will be checking in later in the week. Let's see if we can have a time maybe where we're online at the same time, and then I can answer any questions. If you do have questions, you can either message me separately, you can email me, or if you think it's a question that everybody would want to know the answer to, you can do that via the stream on Microsoft Teams. Okay, so you can make a post on Microsoft Teams here. Please be aware, obviously, that anything that you do through your school email address can be tracked to you. So let's get off to a good start and make sure that we are using the tools appropriately. Okay, I'll post a video on here so you can have a look, and then please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. Look forward to seeing you online. Bye-bye.